Hey, it's Brandon Stiles, and today I wanted to talk to you about affiliate marketing. So I was at the Menfluential 2018 conference this weekend in Atlanta, where I'm from, with Aaron Marino over at I Am Alpha M, and it was freaking cool. So it was cool because I got to see kind of how the other half lived. And what I mean by that is usually I'm always reading about or watching videos or just anything related to digital marketing. But Menfluential is more of a conference for guys and girls interested in the kind of like the lifestyle brands. So a lot of the guys have YouTube channels and they're teaching all kinds of stuff from how to, like Aaron teaches on men's fashion, and another guy was teaching on charisma. And then Eric Banholtz was there talking about he grew a YouTube channel talking about beard. So it was just really cool. But anyhow, there were a lot of questions about affiliate marketing. I talked to two guys and they asked me if I did affiliate marketing and what is that and how is that different than regular marketing and so on and so forth. So I wanted to talk to you about what affiliate marketing is and why you would want to do it, the pros, cons, things like that. So let's dive in. So long story short, affiliate marketing is when you are selling another person's or another company's product or service. Now, it's not like a sponsored post on Instagram, so it's not a company coming to you and saying, hey, we'll give you 10 grand if you will make a video or a post using our stuff. So that's called sponsored posts or sponsored content. Affiliate marketing would be if you took if there was a product out there and on the product's website it said, hey, we give a 30% commission on any sales that come in under your unique link. And you were to create content around that product or service. You see it a lot with courses or with services, things like that. So let's say if I was to come out with a course on running Facebook ads, and I sent out to my list or whoever I had a spot on my website, and I was like, hey, anyone that sells this course, let's say it's a $100 course, anyone that sells it, I'll give you a unique tracking link, and if someone clicks on your link, I'm gonna give you 30%, so I'm gonna give you 30 bucks. So each time I make a sale, you get 30 bucks. So essentially what I'm doing is kind of commissioning a sales team, but the sales team could be your followers, the sales team could be fans, anything like that. So it allows them to make money. And so those fans or whoever would get that link, usually by signing up on a website, and then going out and either creating content around or promoting your product or service. So that is how affiliate marketing works. It's usually done through tracking links and it's someone else's product. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of affiliate marketing. So the pros are that you don't have to have a product to do it. So let's say you want to maybe one day want to write a book or create a course, but you don't have it right now. And those things take a long time to create and do well. So instead of doing that, you could just take someone else's course or someone else's book or whatever they're selling and create content around that. So it kind of shortcuts the process of having to create a course, create anything like that. Pro number two is that if it is a good selling, well-respected product, you stand to make a lot of money. Like I know affiliates that have done really, really well selling products. You always take a risk because you just need to make sure the quality of the product you're selling is really good. Because if it sells, like so you tell it to someone and they buy it, it doesn't come back to the actual creator, it comes back to you. So you're putting your reputation on the line, so you need to make sure the product's good. Now the cons, what are some of the cons of affiliate marketing? Well, one is, what if someone clicks on your link and sees the product and is like, bookmark for later, and then they go to work the next day and they remember the product and then they go and sign on and buy the product. But problem is your affiliate link is sitting back on their computer at home, never to be seen again. So you just lost out on that 30% commission even though you brought it to their attention. If people clear their cookies or caches off their browser, then that affiliate link will go away or won't be registered. So it's not always the most easily trackable solutions. It gets better and better every year, keeping accountability, making sure people know to go to that link, especially if you put a disclaimer in it, but it's not always trackable. Another con is that affiliates and affiliate programs can change the terms at any time, or they can maybe fight you on the legitimacy of a sale, or the sales might not be super high clients. So you always run the risk when working with affiliates and advertising an affiliate program. Now, real quick question. What is the #1 affiliate program in the world? It is Amazon.com. That's right. You can sign up for an Amazon affiliate account, and what that does is that, like let's say you had a web page about tools. You could do a write-up or a blog post about a hammer, post about it and say, hey, click here if you want to buy this hammer. If this hammer sounds cool, just give this little short link a click. And that person will click on that, and if they buy the hammer, you get a commission. Now what's really cool about Amazon, and this is where people actually make their money, is that with Amazon affiliate links, that whole person's shopping cart through that link is attributed to you. So let's say that they go and click on that link and they buy the hammer, but while they're there, they're like, I want to buy a freaking grill, and I want to buy a 100-foot beach ball, and I just want to spend $1,000. Well, you would get an affiliate cut of that $1,000. So it wouldn't just be the hammer, it would be whatever is in that person's shopping cart and whatever they buy. So that is a little bit about what affiliate marketing is, how it works, the pros, cons. Hopefully that helps out and gives you a little bit clearer understanding. So take this today and go ahead and sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. It's free. You just have to make your first sale in, I believe it's 180 days, so 6 months. So, I mean, shoot, for all I care, just have someone in your family buy a book and then that counts, and then you're in their affiliate program. So go sign up today and you can start linking those on your blog, linking those on your content, and get some Amazon money. I'm Brandon Stiles. I'm a digital marketer out of Atlanta, and we'll see you soon.